This is what society thinks I do. This is what my friends think I do. Yes. Eureka! This is what my mom thinks I do. This is what I think I do. But recently I came to a fork in the road. I had the chance to pursue higher education, to continue in my current field of research, or maybe even become a doctor. But my aspirations led me in a different direction. Hi, I'm Chelsea Crowfoot, the name behind the Crow brand. As you may have guessed, I started my career as a scientist, or more specifically as the lab manager of a preventative colon cancer research lab. But this was only my latest adventure. While I was pursuing my bachelor's degree in biology, microbiology, I worked a variety of jobs. Jimmy John's, Guernsey's, Blockbuster. Then I was a caterer for University Catering, where I was taught the valuable lessons of time management and being organized. I was a supervisor there until a few months after I graduated, where I had to look for a job relevant to my field of study. Then accepted an opportunity at U of M. It was here that I was able to utilize my skill set from previous jobs and also learn new ones. I spent 4 years working in an ever-changing environment of the lab, where I eventually had the privilege of supervising various students over time. I had a team of students that I managed for over 2 years, a long turnover rate for the university labs. With the loss of funding, I also lost my team of students. For my last 2 years in the lab, I implemented multiple processes to improve the function of daily and long-term procedures. It was during this time of working alone, I decided I wanted to pursue a different field of study. From my past experiences, love of overseeing projects, and working with a team versus working on my own, I decided to go back to school to obtain my MBA. There's that pesky fork again. Now I'm out of the lab and back in the books, looking for more opportunities to establish myself in the business world. You may be thinking, what does the Crow brand stand for? I'll spell it out for you. C stands for charismatic, which you could have probably noticed already unless you were just now joining us. As for the R, well, that means resilient. I chose this word because whatever obstacles get in my way of doing my job, I make sure to push through and learn from it. The O in my brand represents how important it is to be organized. Keep in mind, prior proper planning prevents poor performance. While these traits don't say every skill that I have, these are the ones that stand out. Therefore, I am Crow, charismatic, resilient, organized. Because Crow represents the person I am, the worker I am, and the employee you want.